Participants at the 5th International Conference on Recent Advances in Biotechnology have called on government to step up efforts and shift focus from basic and applied sciences to translational science. They identified continuous collaboration as key to overcoming the challenges of sustainable development and achieving a strong economy. We have details in this report.
For a resilient future.
These are renowned scientists, academics, policymakers, and students gathered to chart a way forward and set a benchmark for scientific innovations aimed at promoting ecological balance and human well-being through biotechnology. At a time when the world is navigating numerous challenges, experts say biotechnology remains an indispensable tool for building a resilient and equitable future, one that integrates artificial intelligence for accelerated development.
The world faces multifaceted challenges, from climate challenge to global pandemics, from food insecurity to antimicrobial resistance. It becomes clear that siloed thinking and approaches will not suffice. We need to begin to learn to collaborate.
This year's theme, Biotechnology Without Borders, integrating innovation, sustainability, and one health for resilient future, could not have been timelier. It is imperative that our efforts transcend disciplines, geographies, and ideologies. Biotechnologies must be borderless, driven by shared knowledge, ethical responsibilities, and a vision for a healthier, more sustainable world.
Both local and international scientists showcased smart innovations and ongoing biomedical projects focused on the diagnosis and treatment of non-communicable diseases, especially cancer. They all agreed that artificial intelligence should not only be deployed to enhance biodiversity, but must also be borderless and guided by ethical policies to achieve milestones towards resilient societies.
A lot of agricultural products get destroyed even before they reach markets. A lot of revenue are generated by countries that have shown commitment to advances and development in biotechnology. Coming together to think tank on how best to advance biotechnology using innovations and sustainability plan that will help us achieve what we call sustainable development goals. By year 2030, this is year 2025, we must work harder in order to ensure that we improve our health through the use of biotechnology.
It's high time we now embrace translational research in resolving all these kind of various challenges. And if we are to do this, we need a lot of interdisciplinary approach. Industry now to come on board, stakeholders have to come on board, government inclusion is very, very important, and science communication is very, very germane. We do a lot of things, but do we communicate?
I have converted manure and other organic waste to biogas, to biochemicals that are used in various industries. I've also used waste using microorganisms to produce animal feeds. This is all what biotechnology is all about. I know that one major problem that we have in Nigeria is the funding. That is why it seems as if in the white man's land they are having the upper edge. You see our intelligence pays out when we step outside this country.
We invite innovators, scholars, and investors to exploit opportunities in Osun State. We are building the infrastructure, the talent pipeline, and the enabling environment for breaking through to happen. And more importantly, to benefit the everyday lives of our citizens.
Distinguished scientists such as Director General, Nigerian Institute of Medical Research, Professor John Obafunwa, Professor Charles Adetunji, including Lagos Television's multiple award-winning producer of Sound Health, Olasumbo Modupe, and others were honored for their outstanding contributions to the growth and advancement of science and biotechnology. The conference also launched the Talk to Your Professor project, an initiative designed to mentor and encourage young scientists and researchers to integrate innovation for a sustainable and resilient society.